Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering stations that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling with cheap soldering irons that overheat, burn components, or just don't give you precise control? If you're working on electronics, circuit boards, or small DIY repairs, inconsistent temperature can completely ruin your project. You need something reliable, adjustable, and comfortable to use for long sessions. This is the Weller 530W Precision Grip Soldering Iron Station, a compact, adjustable soldering station designed for precision electronics work. Adjustable power range from 5 to 30 watts, perfect for delicate circuit boards and light-duty soldering. Precision grip handle, lightweight and ergonomic for better control and reduced hand fatigue. Analog temperature control dial, simple and easy to adjust. Quick heat-up performance, ready to work in minutes. 120V power system, ideal for home workshops in the US. Compact station design, keeps your workspace neat and organized. It's especially useful for PCB repairs, hobby electronics, small wires, and educational projects. Pros: adjustable wattage for better control. Comfortable grip for precision work. Trusted Weller build quality. Compact and beginner-friendly. Cons: analog dial, no digital temperature display. Not powerful enough for heavy-duty soldering. Limited to 30W maximum output. This soldering station is best for electronics hobbyists, students learning soldering, DIY repair enthusiasts, light circuit board and small component work. It's not ideal for large connectors, thick wires, or industrial jobs. Price and value info, 0 to 20 seconds. At around $71.45, it's a bit more expensive than basic soldering irons, but you're paying for precision, safety, and Weller's reliability. For beginners and hobbyists, it offers solid long-term value. Call to action/affiliate link, 0 to 15 seconds. If you want precise control for your electronics projects, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Number 2. This is the Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering iron station, an all-in-one rework station that combines hot air, soldering iron, DC power supply, USB charging, and voltage testing in one compact unit. Hot air rework station, ideal for SMD components, IC chips, and surface mount repairs. Adjustable airflow and temperature for precision control. 30W soldering iron, stable heat output for circuit boards, wires, and electronic repairs. Built-in DC power supply, adjustable 0A15V, 0A2A output, perfect for powering and testing small electronics projects. 5V USB charging port, convenient for charging phones or powering USB devices directly from the station. 35V DC voltage test meter, built-in digital display lets you monitor voltage accurately during testing. Compact all-in-one design, saves desk space compared to buying separate tools. 110V compatibility, ready for home workshop use. This station basically replaces multiple bench tools with one device. Pros: multifunction 5-in-1 workstation. Great for SMD and chip-level repairs. Built-in adjustable power supply. Clear digital displays. Excellent value for small repair shops. Cons: 30W iron may feel underpowered for heavy-duty soldering. Learning curve for beginners. Slightly bulky compared to single-function units. Overall, it's a powerful tool for serious electronics work. Best for/you should buy, 0 to 35 seconds. This station is best for mobile phone repair technicians, electronics repair shops, advanced DIY hobbyists, engineering students working on PCB projects. Not ideal for someone who only needs basic occasional soldering. At $129.99, it's more expensive than a basic soldering iron, but you're getting hot air rework, DC power supply, USB charging, and voltage testing all in one machine. For serious electronics repair, this offers strong value compared to buying separate equipment. Number 3. This is the Smith 239193 Outfit Handy Torch, a classic handheld torch for soldering, brazing, and heating tasks, built with durable brass construction. Heavy-duty brass build, solid brass body for long-lasting durability and heat resistance. Compact and handheld design, easy to grip and maneuver in tight spaces. Adjustable flame control, lets you fine-tune the flame intensity for different jobs. Easy ignition, quick and simple to light and start working. Versatile use, works great for metalwork, jewelry, plumbing, and DIY heating tasks. Portable, lightweight, 1 lb, so you can carry it around your workshop or job site. This torch gives you reliable heat output with simple manual control, ideal for detailed fixing and heating where precision matters. Pros: robust brass construction. Comfortable to hold and use. Good flame control. Works for a variety of tasks. Cons: manual ignition, no piezo starter. Takes practice to master heat control. Heavier than tiny pocket torches. Overall, it's a reliable tool that's built to last and handle real workshop jobs. Best for / you should buy, 0 to 35 seconds. This torch is best for metalworkers, plumbers needing a reliable flame source, jewelry makers, DIY enthusiasts who do heating, soldering, or brazing. If you only need a tiny occasional flame, a smaller, lighter style torch might be easier, but for serious work, this is a solid choice. At around $289.99, it's pricier than basic handheld torches, but you're paying for solid brass durability, adjustable flame control, and workshop-ready performance. Number 4. This is the X-Tronic 3060 Pro 75W Soldering Iron Station Kit, a powerful 75-watt digital soldering station that comes as a complete all-in-one kit for electronics work. 75W high power output, heats up fast and maintains stable temperature for smooth soldering. LED digital display, clear temperature readout with easy switching between degree C and degree F. Sleep function, automatically lowers temperature when idle to protect tips and extend lifespan. 3 temperature presets, quickly switch between commonly used heat settings. 5 extra soldering tips included, great for different tasks like fine PCB work or thicker wires. Complete accessory kit includes mini magnifying lamp for helping hands, solder sucker, tweezers, 50G solder roll, brass sponge with cleaning flux, wet sponge, anti-static grounding wire, 110V compatibility, perfect for home and workshop use. This kit gives you everything needed to start soldering right away. Pros: strong 75W power for faster heating. Digital temperature control. Sleep mode extends tip life. Huge value with included accessories. Beginner friendly but powerful. Cons: helping hands may feel lightweight. Not industrial grade. Slight learning curve for temperature control. Overall, it's one of the best value complete soldering kits in its price range. Best for / you should buy, 0 to 35 seconds. This kit is best for electronics hobbyists, DIY repair enthusiasts, students learning soldering, home workshop users. It's great for PCB work, small repairs, Arduino projects, and general electronics tasks. At $79.75, this is excellent value. You're getting a 75W digital station plus a full accessory kit, which would cost much more if purchased separately. For beginners and intermediate users, this offers serious bang for the buck. Number 5. This is the Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station, a compact, ESD-safe digital soldering station designed for precise electronics work. 75-watt equivalent power, delivers strong, stable heat for smooth soldering performance. Digital LED display, clearly shows temperature and allows switching between degree C and degree F. Adjustable temperature control, fine-tune heat settings depending on your project needs. ESD-safe design, protects sensitive electronic components from static damage. Aluminum front panel, burn-resistant and more durable than plastic panels. Fast heat up and stable temperature, reduces waiting time and improves efficiency. Included accessories, comes with solder tips, lead-free solder, and extra essentials so you can start working immediately. Compact size, small footprint, perfect for home desks and small workshops. This station is built for precision, safety, and convenience. Pros: affordable digital soldering station. Clear LED temperature display. ESD safe for PCB work. Durable aluminum panel. Compact and beginner-friendly. Cons: not ideal for heavy industrial soldering. No advanced preset memory features. Basic stand compared to premium models. Overall, it offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price. This soldering station is best for electronics hobbyists, students learning PCB soldering, DIY repair enthusiasts, small home workshops. It's great for Arduino projects, circuit board repair, and general electronics tasks. At just $52.99, this is excellent value. You're getting a digital temperature-controlled, ESD-safe soldering station at a very affordable price point. If you want a reliable and affordable digital soldering station, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest tool reviews.